Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Playbox token. Ticker symbol is Plxc. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing today. Brand new listing today. Now we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says Hotbit will launch Plxc, the Playbox on October 17th, 2022. So that's what day it is today. So it's already launched. It launched at 5 a.m. Deposits and trading opened at 7 a.m. this morning. And yeah, so if you want to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Plxc, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. Cool thing about Hotbit is you can invest a lot of tokens on there and DeFi farm pools, lockups. There's staking. There's all sorts of different ways to earn high APY on Hotbit. So if you don't have a Hotbit account, definitely check out that Hotbit referral code. So yeah, Plxc just got listed on there today. It says, through a decentralized blockchain platform, we want to take the lead in fostering the play-to-earn centered asset-forming game industry from server-oriented consumable games. We will lead the market with AR games that can be easily enjoyed by anyone, anytime on mobile. Regardless of location and space, we want to support in-game users in a more ethical and educational way and protect the rights and interests of participating partners and collaborators. We support genuine transaction based on secure original authentication through NFT technology. We want to overcome systematic limitations through AI and machine learning technologies and tools. We want to build a sound blockchain economy ecosystem through a systematic rewards and fair token economy. So that's what it says on Hotbit about this token. So this is a BEP20 token. They have a total supply of 4 billion tokens. Now, they do have a BSC scan listed on the page here. Let me check this out here. So it doesn't look like you can get this off of PancakeSwap because I don't see any PancakeSwap transfers at all. It says 18 decimal places on this token. Yeah, not much action yet on their BSC scan. Just basically starting with Hotbit today. Now, if we head over to their official webpage, you can find that at playbox-game.com. They do have a full white paper on there, Telegram, roadmap, token information, solutions to problems, background, all sorts of stuff. Blockchain-based NFT mobile augmented reality game platform. The virtual reality and augmented reality markets, which have been developed centering on games, movies, and performances, are becoming a technology that can easily be accessed in everyday life by combining the commercialization of 5G. Explore the world. The Playbox project is a game project that combines play to earn coins while playing mobile augmented reality games. Playbox intends to take the lead in realizing mobile-oriented AR games regardless of location beyond the limitations of existing AR games on the blockchain and enabling participating gamers to capitalize on NFTs through play to earn. So their solution is play-to-earn gameplay business model centered on the token economy ecosystem based on role-playing games that can be easily enjoyed by anyone regardless of space through mobile augmented reality games that combine decentralized blockchain, NFT, and AR technologies. So we got 20% of the tokens going to staking, reward, and reserve, 20% going to team and advisors, 10% going to marketing, 20% going to ecosystem and event. We got 20% going to liquidity, and 10% going to reserves. So that's how the token's allocated. So the roadmap starts in Q4 of this year. It says start of Playbox project, listings on exchanges, Plxc wallet development. Then next year we're going to have the Playbox game beta version launch only to partner, NFT marketplace launch. Q2 next year we're going to have expansion of the game ecosystem, additional listings on exchanges. Q3 next year, version of beta launch, and then Q4 next year, version 2.0 main upgrade and Whitepaper 2.0. So besides that, that's everything on their Whitepaper. Now their Telegram, right now, you can find that at Telegram/Playbox project. And they have 1,456 Telegram members so far, so that's not too bad. And their white paper, let's see if it works. Their white paper does work. It's a 23-page white paper. On their white paper, they have outline, about us, market problems, solutions, project, NFT, AR game, Playbox ecosystem, token economy, roadmap, appendix, and legal notice and disclaimer. So, the Playbox project basically combines play-to-earn and AR games. It's got NFTs, just in a nutshell, a little wrap-up here. It says, as the concept of making money through games is gaining a global consensus in Korea, Southeast Asia, and South America, the number of play-to-earn game participants in various countries such as the Philippines, Venezuela, Brazil, Argentina, and Cuba are increasing significantly. With play-to-earn through mobile AR games, NFTs have been added in the in-game system, establishing itself as a new digital asset, and due to the features and guaranteed originality and rarity, it is becoming a key factor in cryptography, making it an in-game asset. So yeah, it goes over the whole like AR, VR markets. You can see how they're expanding in the future here. Yeah, huge market problem and solution section on their white paper if you want to read about that. Very lengthy. And it goes over about the game. So they're going to have group battles, team game mode, a new game where they can have group battles and strategic tactics to win, automatic commands, manual commands according to the user's preference, higher ranking rewards after season ends, tokens and enhancement materials can be obtained as a reward for winning the games, yada, yada, yada. So check this all out. Listing today on Hotbit. So check out that Hotbit referral code down there. Check out all the other links down there as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.